Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with Klaiyihair and they sent me over this gorgeous 24-inch water wave texture 2-in-1 switch headband wig. This one is called a 2-in-1 switch and it's the hottest thing on the market and perfect time for back to school or you want to get in and out the house super quickly in the mornings with all the time spent on the kids, just a few minutes to get yourself ready. This is a perfect wig to not be outside in a bonnet and looking fly, if I might add. So with the 2-in-1 switch, it's super easy to switch out between these two headbands that come with your wig. You can go black, then you can go gray, and then you can go half wig as we are doing right now in this shot. This here is my actual cornrow. This is my braid. This is my baby hair, and then I did a cute little braid into the hair. You'll see all of the details on how I did it. Super simple and easy to switch between these three options. Very fun to play up and give more of a natural look, and most importantly to give the lace a break. You don't got to worry about sweating it out, reapplying it, bonding it down. No glue, no gel, no spray. This is a super simple, easy, protective style for your hair to give the wigs, the lace wigs, if you will, a break. She's also complete with the drawstring in the back for a glueless fit. This is one wig, always fresh and always ready. And of course, she has endless styling potential. So I'll have her linked in the description box, but without further ado, let's get into the install and have a little fun.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Movie is family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. That you remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, camera on. It's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. Ooh, Tigi dripping, yeah, the fit stay clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty paid, positive. Ashley Bedeck, yeah, remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Wake up, it's another busy day. Cooking in the kitchen, hair bundles on the way. Packing for a flight while I motivate and pray. OTD dripping, she keep diamond, Dakota and Dominic clean. Ashley Bedeck, living every mama dream. Mom life, boss life, vlog life too. Everybody watching what Ashley gon' do. Cook, hustle, travel, yeah, that's the move. Pretty pay positive, and the kids stay cute. Ashley Bedeck, yeah, remember the name. Wife, mom, influencer, building my lane. Yeah, Ashley Bedeck. Yeah, family love, we locked in. Yeah, let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Husband by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us It don't argue that. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with a bright eye. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like the good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on 10, but the vibe still right. Home full of joy, yeah, we shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable power. Every single day, yeah, we grow like flowers. Yeah, I feel the love surround me. Yeah, yeah, it's the thing that keep me grounded. Yeah, yeah, when the world gets cloudy.
Okay, love bugs, so this is the look and I am obsessed. You got to see me literally play in a wig. Now this is the definition of playing in a wig, where I got to do a 2-in-1 switch, but technically we're 3 because we had 2 different headbands, which was absolutely fun. Now I absolutely love this. This is perfect for year around, but I mean, obviously with it being like the peak of heat in summertime right now, it's absolutely a great option to give the lace a break. I did go ahead and go in with some super duper baby hair in the front. I also prepped my own hair by braiding. Now I guess people are calling this right now the Jada Wada technique, because of course if somebody who is got some motion, if you will, does a style, then it's automatically coined their style, even though, you know, even if we've been doing this since the beginning of the time. So I did do the 2 braids down the front. This is a great way to protect your edges. This is actually a way that I've been protecting or preserving my daughter's edges since they were babies. Pretty much just braiding your front hair down this way opposed to straight back. And of course you keep it moisturized, hydrated, oiled, and all of that. That way if you're going back into ponytails and buns, you're not pulling your hair back and putting all that tension. Apply that same method with this one. Instead of doing the straight backs, the side, again, it's going to help my edges grow and flourish. And then I did the heavy baby hair for the, you know, the splat, the extra effect, and that worked out perfectly, so that when I do the headband wig and I just want to expose some edges, I can pull everything front at my hairline and I can just, you know, show off baby hair, if you will. And you guys seen I did, because these are thicker headbands and I kind of wanted it to fit a little sleek and flush. So the first half of the headband technically has like that zipper and the button, but when you fold it in half, it makes it so it's like neat and sleek, so it's not like long like this along the entire front. That way again you could expose baby hair. But of course on days when I don't have the baby hair situation going on, I probably would keep it wide like such. That way it can cover up the whole hairline and forehead and we can just literally go. Super versatile, perfect for all seasons. Also holidays are coming up right around the corner. You know how like you're holding out to get your hair done right before Christmas, but you need your hair done. Perfect. New Year's, new resolutions, everybody in the gym, perfect. Literally I can think of every season a way that this is going to be a perfect addition to my collection. So of course I'll have it linked down below with all of the details. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.